ConceptDraw, my honest review, and user experience best diagram software. Creating clear visual diagrams is essential for business planning, project management, and presentations, and ConceptDraw claims to make that easier than ever. I've been using it for a few weeks, and here's my honest review of how it actually performs. Most people think all diagram tools are the same, but the surprising truth is that ConceptDraw is far more than just a flowchart app. It's a full suite for drawing mind maps, org charts, network diagrams, and even floor plans, all within one platform. The interface is powerful yet user-friendly. I appreciated how drag and drop elements make diagramming quick, and templates help you get started instantly. Whether you're mapping workflows or designing visual reports, it feels fast and intuitive. ConceptDraw's integration options are impressive too. You can import data from Excel, export diagrams to PowerPoint, and even sync visuals with project management tools. This makes collaboration much easier, especially in team environments. Performance was smooth, even with complex designs. The library of shapes, icons, and connectors is extensive, perfect for engineers, managers, and creatives alike. Pricing is competitive, with a one-time license fee rather than a monthly subscription, which saves money in the long run. However, it's desktop-based software, so if you prefer cloud-only tools like Lucidchart or Miro, this might feel less flexible. Overall, ConceptDraw is a robust, professional-grade solution for anyone who regularly creates diagrams or visual documentation. If you want precision, versatility, and long-term value without constant subscription fees, ConceptDraw is an excellent choice.